phone. It's so cute. These are the way they look like. Be warned, it's random. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another haul. I just filmed a decor haul, that's why some of the stuff are still here. Right now I'm going to be doing a super random haul. This is very random, like I said, so you guys be warned, it's random. I will be doing a Fashion Nova haul because I did decide kind of to separate a couple of things. The only thing I could have separated was the Fashion Nova things because I did order like around like 5 or 6 stuff. So yeah, starting off, I'm gonna start off with the shoes. I don't know, Danny always makes fun of the way I say it. Yeezy, I don't know, I honestly don't know. I don't know if I say it weird, but I got some Yeezy shoes. I got the size 5.5 and the 5.5 was perfect on me. Let me show you guys the shoes. I'm here talking about them. These are the shoes. These are the Butters, I believe. I honestly don't know about shoes a lot, but I just if I like them, that's the only reason why I'll buy them. If I like them and I know that I will use them a lot, that's I mean, as you guys can tell, I just bought them and I've been using them a lot. They're so comfortable, and I actually do like these. I got them off Goat, the website Goat. Well, Danny's the one that helped me, obviously. I don't really know about that stuff. Danny is the one that helped me. This is how they look like. Comment down below what's the best website to buy shoes. Danny says that it's Goat. I know that there's another website called, I think, StockX, I don't know. But these are the way they look like. What the fuck am I saying? But yeah, I think I bought these for $350, $3 something. I honestly don't remember. I don't think I've showed you guys these bags, have I? I know I'm random, but okay. Danny bought me these bags. This is a super nice Michael Kors bag. I don't use it a whole lot. I still have the tag on it because I haven't used it so much. The tag's right here. But I love these types of bags. They're so open. I love that you could just like throw stuff in there. I love that it's beige. And then the other one is the one I was using a whole lot before I got my Gucci one. This one's so pretty. This one's so small. I was between this one and the other one, and then Danny just told me just to get both. I'll buy them, and he bought them for me. And I love how little and baby this is. It's so cute, and it's a pink color. So this one, I use this a lot during summer. It's this super nice black Gucci bag, and let me show you guys the bag. It's been a while. I think it's been at least 2 weeks that I got this bag, and I have used it a whole lot. This bag is so small. I think it's a perfect size. That's why I got this bag. I was actually going for this bag. I'll put it right here. And I went to the outlet. I'm so dumb. Obviously the outlets won't have what's like in right now. So I thought, I didn't know this before, I went to the outlet thinking that they would have this bag. I went and they didn't have it, obviously. And then I was like, oh, forget it. Like, I was kind of like sad. I was like, forget it, like, let's just leave. And then I saw this bag, and then even Danny pointed it out. He's like, look, this bag's actually really nice. I tried it on, and you know what won me over, you guys? What won me over to get this bag is that I love that you can double chain it. I love that you can double chain it, so it looks like a different bag, and I just think it's so cute. Look at it. Well, I'm wearing booty shorts, you guys. Whoops. But yeah, it's so cute. I love that you can double chain it. Yeah, it has 2 little sections. I can't really show you guys because I have a lot of stuff. But yeah, I love that it had 2 little sections for your stuff. Let's sit her right here. Next thing I got was the iPhone. I finally upgraded. I was like, I'm always the last one to upgrade. Whenever something first comes out, you guys, I always like second guess, and I'm like, nah, I don't need it, nah, whatever. And then like months pass, and then I'm like, you know what, like, let's get it. And actually it was Danny that kind of pushed me to get it because my phone was messed up, you guys. It was cracked and it was bad. I got this one. I got the, I don't even know which one I got. I think it was the XS or XR. I don't know. Either of those two. I got in the color white. Danny bought me the Otterbox because, you know, I break phones a lot. So yeah, I got the phone. I think around the same time that I got the bag. These lights are so hot, you guys. The next thing that I got that's kind of next to me, actually Danny got me this. So Danny bought me the Daisy perfume because they were having a sale, like 15% off or 10% off in Macy's. So he just like bought it for me. I remember I was just looking at it because I wanted to get it for my mom because my mom loves this perfume. This is a Daisy Marc Jacobs perfume. I don't know if I showed you guys already. And I remember always stealing it from her. Sorry, Mom. I would always steal it like from her, like my whole, like, I think it was my junior year of high school. I would always like borrow it and I would like spray it before school. So I was already gonna leave. I was like, nah, I don't need it. I don't need it. Whatever. It's just perfume. Because I have a lot of perfumes, you guys, that I always forget to put perfume on. I always end up using my little body spray in my backpack because I always forget to put perfume on my house. And then Danny was like, I'll just get it. And then he got it. I was like, no. And then he got it. And on the same day, actually, he got me these earrings that I'm wearing right now. I don't really know like what they are, like, so don't ask me, but I just think they're so cute. He got them at Daniel's, the jewelry store. On that same day, he first bought me, let me tell you guys the order. He first got me the Bulova watch. Okay, so this is how it looks like. If I can show you guys a little bit better. This is how it looks like, and then you can slide the thing in here. The price is in the back. It's $3.95. Whoa. He got me this watch. He loves, you guys, I was never into jewelry until Danny came into my life. He was like, here, you need this. Like, this ring is from him. And I love the box. Don't you guys love the box? Like, look, it opens so fancy. Like, whoop, whoop. And here's the watch. It's a pretty rose gold, and I think I heard him say mother of pearl, so I don't know what that means, but I guess he just means this, the face. But it's so pretty. Can you guys see that? I love that. Don't you guys feel weird sometimes when someone gives you something, even though you love them so much and stuff, they give you something and you feel like guilty? That's me. So he got me that first, and then he got me the earrings, and then he got me the perfume because I was staring at it. So that was all in one day, and I think I put it on Instagram that I was like, is it weird that Danny's spoiling me? Like, what the fuck? I got this watch. When did I get it? I don't remember when I got it, but I got this watch. It's also Bulova, and honestly, I got this watch. I bought this watch because I was being all like copycat. Danny decided to get a watch, and I was there next to him, and I was like, what if I get the matching watch? So Danny got the similar one but in guy version, and then I got the little tiny baby version of it. So this is how it looks like. I love the box. I can't get over the box. It's so nice and it's so pretty. It's so like bedazzled and everything. So yeah, I showed you guys the two little watches that I got. Okay, so the next thing that Danny got me from K Jewelers is the little necklace. This little necklace. Yeah, it's so pretty. It's blue, and then it came with the matching earrings. I got these bags. I don't know where I got these bags, but they were pretty cheap. They were like $15-16 each. I got the Fila one because I do have some Fila shoes, so I was like, Fila, yay. This one is the Fila one as well. I thought they were different. Whatever. Okay, so the next thing I got were these champion leggings. I did get them at Ross for $20, I believe. I think were they $20? I don't know, but they were pretty cheap. They weren't expensive, and they're just champion. They said champion on the bottom. I really like that. They're really comfortable. That's the main reason why I got them, because they're so comfortable. They're so stretchy, as you could probably like tell. So, and I love when leggings have this for some reason, like this little elastic. Danny also got me this Calvin Klein little set. He got me the sports bra from Calvin Klein, and the undie. Whoa, wrong way. I'm so happy he got me the regular ones. I didn't want the thong one. That's too scary for me. So yeah, he got me the regular undie and the bra. So for Forever 21, I got this cute little bandeau top, or bralette. No, not bralette, just like a strapless shirt. This would look so cute just with like some shorts or some jeans in like summertime. So yeah, and it's so stretchy, you guys. I also got this belt, this black belt, for $5.90. Just a regular. Why is my hair everywhere? I always forget to wear a belt though, so I don't know why I got it. I also got this bright neon pullover. It's not pullover. What is it? Like just like a regular sweater. So it's just a regular shirt, a regular cardigan. I don't know what are these called? Like pullovers? I don't know. So yeah, it's just that. I got these shorts, these biker shorts, which they didn't fit me, you guys, but I didn't feel like returning them, from Pretty Little Thing. I got a size 8. I got a size 8. I'm so dumb. Like they're so comfortable. But yeah, these didn't fit me. The next thing I got was this Champion shirt. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this. I think I've showed it to you guys on Instagram like as well. I got this bright pink strapless shirt, and I think I got it at Ross for like 10 bucks, you guys. Yep. And it's super stretchy as well. In Agaci, I got these 2 biker shorts, you guys. You guys, I was so excited when I found these. You ask Danny. Danny was like, what's wrong? I was like, oh my god, they have biker shorts here. For me, it's really hard to find biker shorts that fit me good. When I saw them in the store in person, I got so happy because I was like, I can actually try them on, see how they look, because some bikers give you like a weird shape and then you can decide whether or not you want them. So I tried a bunch of them on. I tried neon, I think they had a pink, they had a green, they had a bunch of different prints, and I ended up getting the ones that I least expected for me to like. I didn't think I was gonna like the cheetah one, but I love the material. The material is so soft, and it kind of like shapes your butt. Like it makes your butt look nice and round, even though I don't have a butt, you know. I love these, and these were so inexpensive, you guys. They were $10.90. Bro, I was so happy when I found these, and they're like a good length. They're not too short, they're not too long. I hate the long ones because I don't like the way they look on my body. This looks pretty nice for summer. I think they're the same length, and they costed the same. They costed 10. I think they costed both $10, so I got both. Yay. I also got this at Forever 21. I think this was reduced to, I think the original price was 17 and then they were 12 or something like that. So I was like, girl, count me in. Okay, so I got this one, and it's so pretty. I didn't expect to like it, honestly. Like Danny showed it to me. Danny was like, oh my god, you need to try this on. I was like, but then I actually tried them on, and I do really like how this looks with some jeans. It looks so nice. Also for Forever 21, I got this beige sweater, and I think I've worn it. No, I haven't worn it. I think I've taken pictures with it. And this one was $14.90, which is not bad. This sweater is so light, so you can honestly wear it when you're literally like in the summer, and it's beige, so it matches everything. Well,